Hi, I'm Justin.
Hi, I'm Brian. We're with the CVTC Residential Construction Program.
So Brian, the other day my furnace was running a little bit rough and I wasn't sure what was going on, so I called my dad and he said, "When's the last time you changed your filter?"
Oh, okay.
I thought, I don't know.
Well, first question I have is, do you know where your filter is on your furnace?
It's got to be somewhere, nearby, right?
Yeah, it is. So how often should you change your furnace filter also is one thing that we want to understand.
Okay.
Generally they say every 3 months, and that's year-round. Most people don't realize that your furnace filter is also a filter for the summer when your air conditioning is running.
So it looks like the filter for this location is right here.
Yeah.
And they've got a magnet on this one, which is kind of a cool idea.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay, so something you want to know about these filters is there is a directional flow on it. And if you look at the end of a filter,
oh, yeah, right there.
Okay, there's going to be an arrow. That arrow has to be pointing towards the furnace.
Okay.
Yeah.
So not like that.
No, towards
Like
the
that.
furnace. Yep, towards the furnace. So the airflow is going to come down through your cold air return, and it's going to flow with the direction of the air.
Okay. I also noticed on here there's some sizing requirements.
Yes.
Is that different on each furnace?
It could be. It could be, depending upon the model, the size, the year, that type of stuff. And generally, most of these filters are going to be what they call is 1 inch thick. What's going to change is the length and the width.
Okay, sure. So just depending on the size of the furnace or the size of the ductwork, you may have different size filters.
Yeah.
Okay. I've sometimes seen that written right on the ductwork.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes the HVAC or heating, ventilating, air conditioning individuals who install it will write that right on the side of your cold air return, so there's no questions asked, and it'll say filter here, because sometimes it's hard to find for people.
So every 3 months, so that's 4 times a year. I see a whole box of them right there. That's actually a pretty good idea to just buy a whole year's worth.
Yeah,
and store it right in your mechanical
yeah,
room.
Yep, these are MERV 7s. Actually, these last up to 3 months. Okay, 3 months. Yep.
All right, well, thanks for the tips.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Once again, I'm Justin.
I'm Brian, and for more information about CVTC Residential Construction, you can go to cvtc.edu. Thank you.